Bulldog Safe 7.
Clean your materials at the end of each class.
4. Clean your materials at the end of each class.
Clean your materials at the end of each class. That's number 4.
Clean your materials.
Clean your materials. 4. Clean those materials at the end of each class.
Hi Franklin Woods, it's Miss Long. Today I want to talk to you about cleaning, but not just about cleaning. There's an important difference between cleaning and disinfecting. These two words aren't always interchangeable, especially during a pandemic. Cleaning is using soap and water to remove, but maybe not always kill, germs and dirt. Disinfecting uses chemicals to kill the germs you're trying to avoid. So just a light cleaning isn't enough. We want to use household cleaning products to disinfect high-touch areas and items in our classrooms like countertops, tables, backs of chairs, light switches, doorknobs, even remote controls, and phones and phone cases. If it's touched throughout the day, clean it. Once a day is not enough. You should sanitize these items several times throughout the day. Stay safe. A quick swipe of a damp paper towel is not enough to kill germs. Tables and countertops, for example, have to be visibly wet for several minutes to disinfect. So when you're cleaning your desk and materials at the end of each class, make sure you give them time to be disinfected appropriately.